My name is Eleni. Hi, everyone. Today is May 23rd, 2021. It is Sunday morning, 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be getting today. I haven't been couponing for a while, but I need to because I've been paying for things full price. And yeah, okay. I'm going to be using digital coupons and printable coupons for a while. I don't want to buy any Sunday papers yet. Okay, I don't know if I'm ready to deal with that. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to be getting today when I wake up. Okay, so there is a $5 register rewards deal in this section. And so I'm going to get three of the toothpaste, $3 each. There's a $3 off of two digital coupon and a $2 off of one. Okay, so I'm going to be using that. And the next thing I'm going to be getting are the Takis. Okay, Andy really likes these. $5 off of two, and there's a $1 off of two digital coupon. Okay, another one that I'm getting are okay, this one. Gillette razor, five cartridges. Hopefully I can get the 1 4 plus one free. Okay. 14.99, and that one has a $3 off of digital coupon and a $5 off of next register reward coupon that prints out so you can use on your next purchase. And yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm going to show you the coupons I'm going to be using. So the Takis are right here. Okay, I clipped it already. $2 off of one Crest Adult toothpaste. Let's see. $3 off of two. Okay, I'm gonna also get this, the Edge Skin Timid. I don't know how much this is at the store. It doesn't look like it's on sale, but I'm gonna use $1 off of one anyways, cause he needs it. Okay, where's the $3 off of two toothpaste? Oh, right here. Okay, so let me show you the breakdown. So Crest, $3 each times three, $3 off of two manufacturer digital coupon and $2 off of one manufacturer digital coupon equals $4. Takis, $5 minus one off of two, $4. Gillette Fusion cartridges, $14.99 minus three off of one manufacturer digital coupons equals $12.99. Okay, so that equals to $20.99. I also have a $5 off of 20 coupon, and you get Walgreens cash. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a coupon where you can use on your next purchase. Okay, like the register rewards, but it's given to you by Walgreens. Okay, I don't think it's a manufacturer coupon. And then you get a $5 off of register rewards because of the Gillette deal, and then also the Crest one. Okay. So my total will be $5.99 for all these items, plus the Skin Timid shaving gel. I don't know how much that is, so I didn't add that here. Okay, but I'm gonna use the $1 off of one. So this is my plan. Does it usually go according to my plan? No, it never does. Okay. But here's my plan. I'm gonna do this today. I'm gonna show you guys what ended up happening. I'm not expecting it to be perfect because it never does. Okay, I just want to get some deals. Okay, I don't want to pay full price anymore. And all of those digital coupons and I think ends up being like $25. Okay, let's see. Okay. Anyways, so that's my plan. Tell me what you guys are getting, and if you guys like these things. I'm not expecting to get things for free. I just want to get a deal or save some money. And if you guys like it, like and subscribe, and see you on the video. Hopefully, it goes perfectly. Thank you guys. Bye.